All right guys, today we're gonna go over how to regrow celery from store-bought scraps. Pretty much the parts where you typically throw away, we're gonna use that and propagate celery so that it regrows in a whole nother plant. So let's begin. All right, so we have our celery. The first thing I like to do is to basically take off the outer layer. And then from here, I'm gonna measure about 2 to 3 inches from the bottom, and I'm gonna chop that off. Something that I've found to be really helpful is to shave off a really thin layer off the bottom of the celery. It really helps with uptaking water. So I'm gonna go ahead and shave off that thin layer here. You can see it's super thin. And look how fresh that looks, and it's really going to help with uptaking water. All right, so once we have the bottom 2 to 3 inches of our celery, we're going to take this and stick it in a bowl of water, roughly an inch of water, and that's it. Pretty easy. A pro tip that I do have is if you have mason jars, I have one right here, wide mouth version. I have a mesh cup here that sits perfectly on top of the mason jar. You can just put in that celery, add enough water. The celery is in the water about an inch deep, and it really helps promote the growth of roots. And there you have it. Simple, easy project to do with the kids. In a few days, you'll start noticing growth, and in about a week's time, you'll start seeing some root growth at the bottom here, which is pretty cool. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I'm pretty new at this, so any sort of feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. And if you do try to regrow celery from your store-bought scraps, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you guys in the next video.